Yo guys, what's up? Mark369 for you today. Real quick. I have a, I guess you can say broken Xbox. See, this one, the problem with this one is, my brother, I guess, played it way too much to the point where the thing doesn't even turn on. So, I have the box coming in about 2 days, they said. Get it fixed, new one, whatever they gotta do. And, but the thing is, when you send it in, you can't have a hard drive in it, you can't have accessories, blah, 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 obviously. Or you can't have games in there. So here's the problem. I've been watching tutorials. I haven't read on the Xbox on the FAQ, or whatever the hell you want to call it. And they tell you, and this is for those who have this type of Xbox, the one with the white tray, I guess. This trick should work. And it worked for me twice. They tell you to stick a paper clip, you know, unraveled and everything, into this hole. But see, I don't know if you can see it underneath the hole, but look where it leads you to. Nothing. You're stuck touching this thing the whole time. Okay. Then they tell you if that shit doesn't work, then you put it in this one. But guess what? That doesn't work either. So Marth, what do? Okay. Well, there's one more hole. You put it in there. And watch. I haven't done it with one hand. I don't think I'll be able to. Oh! Bam! Booyah, right there. And that's how you open a disc tray manually. If the first hole doesn't work, the second hole doesn't work, try the third hole. Third time's a charm. So, Martha Turns, signing out. Peace.